Want to start a YouTube channel in the most viral niche and create stunning tiny miniature houses step by step using AI? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a powerful YouTube channel around the trending miniature construction niche and how to create different tiny house and building designs in a unique miniature style, all with the help of AI tools. From choosing the right niche to designing eye-catching tiny constructions, you'll learn everything in a simple step-by-step way. Now let's move to the next step. I'm going to show you exactly how these miniature construction videos are actually created using AI, step by step. Copy the prompt given in the description and paste it into Grok AI. It will suggest a unique miniature build name. Choose one miniature idea and tell Grok AI which one you selected. It will then ask for your preferred video duration. Once you confirm the duration, Grok AI will generate step-by-step image prompts according to the selected miniature build and the video length. After receiving the image prompts, give Grok AI this command: generate step-by-step motion prompts for all these images in slow, relaxing motion for creating 8-second VEO, 3 video clips with stylish camera angles and natural sound effects, without voiceover or music. Grok AI will then generate detailed motion prompts for each image. Next, copy each image prompt one by one and generate the images using Whisk AI. For consistent results, upload the first generated image in the sidebar before creating the second image. Repeat this process in sequence until all images are generated. Then copy the motion prompts. Open Flow AI. Select Frame to Video. Upload the first image, paste the motion prompt, and generate the video clip. Repeat this step for all images until all video clips are created. After generating all clips, import them into CapCut and add transitions, effects, and music to edit your final video. If you want to add a voiceover, go back to Grok AI after the motion prompts and give this command: generate a voiceover prompt for all these images according to the video duration. Grok AI will create a voiceover script. Use this script in ElevenLabs to generate the voice. Then add it to your video for a complete, professional result. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful and you're excited to start your own viral AI miniature construction channel, then this is just the beginning. There's so much more creative, powerful, and money-making content coming your way. Make sure to like this video, share it with anyone who wants to grow on YouTube, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next game-changing tutorial. Let's build something amazing together, one tiny masterpiece at a time.